Black Friday's coming, and I know what you're thinking. Time to hunt for the best deals, right? But here's the thing. How many times have you stared at that empty promo code box at checkout, desperately searching for a coupon that actually works, only to find nothing? Meet Coupert, your AI-powered super shopping assistant that finds coupons, gives cash back, and even compares prices automatically. So stick around, because I'm about to show you how to use it to save big this Black Friday. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. Meet Coupert, the AI-powered super shopping assistant trusted by over 9 million shoppers worldwide. It's a free browser extension that works on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, and Safari, even on mobile. With partnerships across 200,000 merchants globally, Coupert helps you save on everything you're already buying. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, click the link in the description and head to the Chrome web store, search Coupert, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Takes about 10 seconds. Now here's where it gets good. When you're shopping on Amazon, Shein, or Fashion Nova and hit checkout, Coupert automatically tests coupons from over 3 million retailers and applies the best one. No copy-pasting, no guessing. Just click Apply Coupons, and boom. Your total drops instantly. No effort, just savings. But Coupert doesn't stop there. It also gives you cash back from over 76,000 stores, including Temu, Macy's, and Sephora. Just activate cashback before checkout, complete your purchase, and Coupert returns real money to you. Withdraw it via PayPal, gift card, or bank card. Your cashback typically processes in about 15 days, and the more you shop, the faster it grows. So you're literally earning money while you shop. And here's the third feature. Coupert compares prices across Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and Nike while you browse. No more opening 10 tabs. Coupert shows you if the same item is cheaper elsewhere, right on the product page. And yes, this works alongside coupons and cashback for triple savings. Now, you might be wondering, how does Coupert make money if it's free? Simple. Coupert earns through fair partnerships with merchants and is 100% transparent about it. There are no hidden tracking methods or shady practices, just honest savings delivered directly to you. With a 4.8 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot and millions of happy users worldwide, Coupert's built its reputation on trust. Here's the secret most people miss. During Black Friday, you can stack all 3 features, coupons, cashback, and price comparison, on the same purchase. That's how you double or even triple your savings effortlessly. Smarter shoppers use Coupert, so why pay full price when Coupert does the work for you? Click the link in the description, install Coupert, and start saving this Black Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. How much did Coupert save you? I want to hear your wins. And if you're into smart AI tools that actually make life easier, check out my previous video, Social Media Tool that saved one brand 12,000 hours in 1 year. Trust me, you don't want to miss what this one can do.